In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the Waze icon on your phone. We'll walk through the steps to customize your driving experience by selecting a new car icon in the Waze app, which allows you to give your navigation a bit of personal flair. We'll also discuss some tips for those of you wanting to change the Waze app icon on your home screen. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open the Waze app. It's that familiar blue app with the speech bubble and smiley car face. Once the app is up and running, you'll want to locate the hamburger menu. This is usually situated at the top left of your screen and consists of three stacked horizontal lines. Tapping this icon will bring up the main menu, which provides various options for navigating through the app's settings and features. Next, you'll want to dive into the settings. Tap on the settings option, which should be visible after you open up the menu. This will open a new screen with a host of adjustable settings related to maps, navigation, sounds, and more. It may seem a bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry, we'll only need to focus on a specific section. Scroll down until you find Map Display. This option is the key to changing the visual elements you'll see while using the app. Once you tap into Map Display, look for the Car Icon option. This section is where you can choose from various vehicle icons available within the app. Whether you're in the mood for a speedy race car, a versatile SUV, a motorcycle, or another option, there are several fun choices to personalize your ride. To make your selection, simply browse through the icons and tap on the one that catches your eye. Once you've made your choice, the app will automatically update and your vehicle icon will change, reflecting your new selection on the map whenever you use Waze. Now, it's important to note that while Waze allows you to customize the car icon seen on maps within the app, it doesn't officially offer a way to change its home screen app icon. However, don't fret if that's something you're interested in doing. If you're using an iPhone, you can utilize the iOS Shortcuts app to create a custom icon that opens Waze. This is a neat way to make your home screen look unique while maintaining access to your favorite navigation app. For Android users, you might consider using launcher apps like Nova Launcher. These apps give you the flexibility to replace icons and offer a wide array of customization options for your phone's interface. And there you have it. You've now personalized your Waze experience with a new car icon and learned a bit about customizing your app icons on your phone's home screen. Thanks for watching and happy travels!